ethnic Uyghur from Gulja. Currently, I live in Germany. This is my grandmother Shamshqamar Ablis. She is 72 years old and lives in Bahar Kocha 28 in Gulja. But right now, she is being held captive in one of China's concentration camps. Since August 2018, we haven't heard of her since then. We ask the federal government of Germany and other European countries, as well as human rights organizations, to help the Uyghur people. We also demand from the Chinese government to free my grandmother and other innocent Uyghur people.